Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to share project on CapCut PC. First of all, open CapCut app in your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page of CapCut app. Then select any project you want to share and you will be on this interface. Unfortunately, there is no direct way to share your project from CapCut to another person. Like, if there is any option for sharing your project, it should be shown here at the top right. But there isn't any option for sharing your project. There is another way by which you technically share your project with another person. Now, as you can see here on the details section, you can see where the file of the specific project is going to be saved. Simply go to Modify option over here and click on that. And as you can see here, you will be able to see where this is being saved. Here, all you need to do is to go to the specific section, the specific location of your computer and copy the exact file, and then simply share or send it through an email to the person you would like to share it. If you copy that file, it means you are copying all the material that is used in this project. So, simply go to your specific location of your computer and share the file of project to that specific person. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.